Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a heartwarming story that's guaranteed to make you smile. Kylie Jenner has once again given fans a special moment that blends nostalgia, motherhood, and a touch of humor. Many of us remember back in 2019 when Kylie accidentally created one of the most unforgettable internet memes of the decade. While giving a tour of her Kylie Cosmetics office, she walked into her daughter Stormi's playroom and sweetly sang the words, "Rise and shine." The clip immediately went viral, sparking remixes, memes, and endless jokes across social media. It became such a sensation that Kylie even released merchandise featuring the now iconic phrase. Now, years later, Kylie has decided to bring back that fun moment, but this time, she's including her son, Aire. In a newly shared clip, Kylie sings her famous Rise and Shine tune once again, this time directed at Aire. The moment was not only nostalgic for fans who remembered the original video, but it also showed a softer side of Kylie as a mom. Aire's adorable reaction added to the charm, making the short clip feel extra special. Fans online were quick to respond with joy, calling the moment priceless, and the comeback we never knew we needed. Many pointed out how full circle the recreation felt, from Kylie singing to Stormi as a toddler years ago, to now singing the same tune to her youngest child. It was more than just a fun nod to an internet trend. It was also a touching reminder of how much Kylie's life has evolved over the years. This moment also highlights something unique about the Kardashian-Jenner family's influence on pop culture. Their lives are constantly under a spotlight, but it's these simple, lighthearted moments that often connect most deeply with fans. Kylie's ability to laugh at herself and revisit a viral meme shows she knows how to keep her audience entertained, while also giving a glimpse into her real life as a mom. For longtime fans, the Rise and Shine recreation felt like a perfect mix of nostalgia and sweetness. For newer fans, it was a chance to see a viral piece of internet history revived in the most adorable way possible. Kylie may be a global businesswoman and fashion icon, but at the end of the day, moments like this remind everyone that she's also just a mom enjoying playful times with her kids. So, what do you think about Kylie bringing back her Rise and Shine moment? Did it make you smile just as much as it did for her millions of fans? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you enjoyed this story, and share your comments below. We always love hearing from you.